So let's talk about Kundalini today, Kundalini Chakras and all that. So let me clarify, I am not a Tantra practitioner because as far as I know, Kundalini is a part of Tantra traditions. So yeah, I am not into that, but yes, uh, because I have been working with knowing reality and all that. I have come through all these terms and techniques, and Kundalini is one of them. But I will try to, uh, you know, say what I have personally understood about the Kundalini techniques, whatever I have learned, and what I think Kundalini actually is. So you will see that in YouTube you will find various videos various videos where they are teaching how to open up your Kundalini chakra in 1 minute, or how to open up your Kundalini chakra with one mudra, and all that. So I feel they have physicalized the Kundalini thing very like they have materialized the Kundalini technique, or uh, uh, the concept of it. I think it is not that physical, that there is a chakra in your body and it moves and it gets stuck and all that. I think it is the state, or state of perception of an individual, and it describes, because it is very vague to understand what stage of perception you are in. Like, when we are kids, we think about toys and all that, where our perceptions are different. When we grow up, like 20 years of age, our perception changes, and throughout our life our perception keeps building up and changes till we die. So that the same thing happens with like Kundalini describes the same thing. It uh, it shows it in a more diagrammatic way, but it is not a physical thing, a diagram of a physical thing. It is more of the unexplicable. It is a diagram of the unexplicable, and it is a very beautifully designed um, diagram to describe, or to make people understand the different perceptions one go through in a lifetime. Now, you see, they say that there are 108 chakras in a human body or so, and in the Kundalini diagram, you can see that there are seven chakras all over. The seventh chakra is out of in the forehead or something like that. So there are seven chakras, and it starts from Muladhara, Manipura, uh, Swadhisthana. Uh, uh, I forgot which one. I forgot the order. So it could be Muladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, or it could be Muladhara, Manipura, Swadhisthana. I forgot that order. Then comes the heart chakra, Anahata. Then comes the Agya chakra, the forehead. Oh, sorry. Then comes the neck chakra. That is what is that? Uh, Vijnana chakra or something like that. So what is that? Forgot that. Sorry. Anahata. Then we have the chakra here in the neck, and then we have the Agya chakra in between the eyebrows, and then we have the Sahasrar, that is a thousand petaled lotus. So what does the, this is clearly a symbol. This is clearly a symbol, and if you dive deep into the descriptions or definitions of each chakra, you would see that it would make sense, like, immediately. So if we go into the Muladhara, so the name itself describes what Muladhara is. It is a base chakra, so it is the base instincts, a perception that is like uh, tangled, or what is the term? I forgot. Perception that is, you know, engrossed with base instincts like food, sex, and all that. And then you come up to Swadhisthana. Then you have, you could look up the various uh, aspects of it, like what you see. There is a color assigned to it. There is a certain beach mantra and all that. So see, I am not totally into the tantra thing, so I do not know everything, but I'm just expressing what I have understood, or how I see reality, and how Kundalini, uh, the technique, or the process, or the depiction of Kundalini, how it obviously made sense to me when I understood what reality is not. So then you have the heart chakra, anahata, and they say that when you are in the heart chakra, you are more creative and uh, happy and all that. So so and then when you go to the Agnya chakra, you have different things that are, you can look them up. So I have seen that there was a time my perception was only encircled with uh, food and sex and base instincts, and it's not that it will come up in a order. Some, I think some people might have the anahata very open in that way, and some chakras are open and some are not. And I think the sahasrar is actually understanding the reality. So this is all about understanding what reality is not, and going up to the sahasrar, and being the reality itself, and living life as reality itself. So that is why I think the different people will understand differently. So there are these thousands of different techniques all around the world, so that reality can make its finite creations, which has the possibility to understand reality. So I see it this way. So yeah, there we go.